Yive Video Builder 3.0. This training is going to be article text to video, just like Vidnami. And this one is being created specifically for Henry Webster. Thank you for reaching out and saying that you needed some help to be able to create this. So for our article text to video, just like Vidnami, most of the campaigns that you're going to want to run are going to be Spintax campaigns. These are the most versatile, and these are the easiest ones to run. So what you do is you log in to your dashboard, you click campaigns, you click new campaign, you title your campaign, and you click Spintax videos. Then you click next. Now most of this other stuff we don't need, so we can just put don't need, right? We don't need this. Okay? We don't need a pre-roll bucket. If you want a pre-roll bucket, this is a bucket that's going to have an ad or video that you have created or a picture that you have created as a pre-roll before the video is created. You don't need to use that. Asset keywords, you can put in asset keywords if you want. Now what you do want to make sure that you want to search with slide text. You want to make sure that this is checked. Search for assets using each slide text. This is exactly what Vidnami did. You click this, it's going to read your article, and it's going to give you pictures and video clips that are similar to the text in here, and then you're able to add it and edit it after it renders. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the Yive app website, and then we're going to just go ahead and take a chunk of this as like it was an article. All right. So we're going to say, what does Yive 3.0 do for you? Well, this is actually a training on Yive Video Builder. So we're going to say Yive Video Builder. So this is our script, right? If you want to have each line on a separate card, you have 2 spaces, 1, 2, and then you do your next line of text. And that will guarantee that it is on different lines. So this is going to be our video right here. All right, so we just copy and paste our article, whatever it is. Like I said, if you want it on separate lines, you just have 2 spaces, right? Okay. And so what we have 1 and 2 lines there. Now, if we wanted to add a keyword in here, we could do that. But like I said, this is just like Vidnami, so we're going to go ahead and copy and paste our script inside there. We are going to make sure that we select assets automatically. So we're going to check automatically choose assets and render when we're using Yive Video Builder. And then video title. It does not matter what your video title is, because what are we doing? We're just creating a video like Vidnami, right? We don't need URLs. We don't need a description. We don't need tags. We don't need intro text. We don't need outro text, because what are we doing? We're creating a video with Yive Video Builder, just like Vidnami, from article, text to video. Save and go to next. Then we select how many slides we want per video, 15 to 20. Now you saw previously that we have about 10 lines. So let's come over here and we'll say that we want about 10 to 15 slides. The duration for slide, we can manually change the duration of slide when we are editing it, but we can just say 7 to 10 seconds per slide. It's going to tell us how long the video duration is going to be. If you want the animated overlays, which I like because it shows action inside of your video, you can click the animated text overlay on the video. And then we also want to disable the pre-roll counter. Now this is if you are using a pre-roll, it's going to have a countdown timer showing that it's an ad. So if you click this, it will not show that it's an ad, and it will just show the video before the video you're creating right now. So here in the audio, just like in Vidnami, we can have voiceover with background, we can have voiceover only, or we can have background music only. Now, if we want to do voiceovers, right now we have the ability to not only do all of the Amazon Polly voices, but also all of the Google voices. Very soon, there are going to be audio buckets so that you can actually upload your voiceovers into the program itself and not use the robotic voices. But right here, Vidnami had the Google voices, and this one has Google Voices plus Amazon Polly, so it's actually more than Vidnami had inside of Yive Video Builder. All right, so we're going to go ahead and say this one, we're going to go ahead and go with Matthew because Matthew's pretty good. So you say save and go to next. And then how many videos per day? If you just want to make one video, you're going to create one video. How many videos do you want to make? We just said that, one video. We want to make sure that we render automatically because we want it to render and for it to start so that we can edit it the way we want. Campaign status, we're going to activate it, we're going to start immediately, and we're going to save the campaign. Once you have saved the campaign, you're going to come up to the top right-hand corner, click Actions, and Run Now. And what it's going to do is it's going to start instantly going to start doing your videos, right? So it's got here, it's got your Spintax video. It's going to go one per day, and then it is going to render these. So it usually takes a couple minutes for these to render depending on how long the queue is. So you wait a couple of minutes. Once that is done, you can jump in and you can start editing. Okay, so you see here, it's already rendering. So it'll take a few minutes for it to render out. And then just like Vidnami, once it's done rendering, then you can get in there and you can edit any scenes that you want and quickly download. All right, so once you let it render for a minute or two, you see that it says created. You just click on it and jump on inside, and then you see the video that you created. You are able to watch the video and see if you like it. All right, and so once it is there, you can see if you like it, and if you don't like it, then what you can do is you can go up to the top and you just say edit. And so that you're able to get in there, and just like Vidnami, you're able to select any of the cards that you have, right? And so you can move around the words just like Vidnami. And in Yive Video Builder, you are able to customize every single thing. Now, just like Vidnami, if you don't like what you see, you can go ahead and type in your search terms over here, and you can go ahead and find video clips or images that fit with what you want to select. So you can come over here and you say, oh, I like this one, so we'll add that. And it adds it right into the stream. You're able to preview it just like Vidnami. And then you can go to the next card. And so you're able to change every card that you have inside there. Now, one thing that you can do that you could not do inside of Vidnami is you can instantly change the script right here inside the pane, and you can work on it. Now, just like Vidnami, you can also add other things here on the card. All right, so you can go ahead and change it up if you want. You can also do the bold function just like in Vidnami, right? So that it bolds it out and you can have it stand out when you are doing it. And one thing that I really like about it here is you can actually change the length of the clip. So currently it's set at 8 seconds. You could not do this with Vidnami. You had to manually change the timing. You can do the full video, 1 second, 5 seconds, 7 seconds. You can just change it right on the fly. And then once you are done, you can save it. But look, you can also add your own user assets. So you can have different buckets that you save. So you can have pictures. Pretty soon you're going to be able to have audio, and you can have video clips, and you can select buckets of things that you have uploaded, and you can add them right in here as well. Once you are done, then you can save and render. And when you save and render, what it's going to do, just like Vidnami, it's going to create the clip that you have created, and it will take a minute or two for it to render out, and you will have your video exactly like Vidnami. But what I love is that not only like Vidnami are you able to create the videos with the article text to video, but you can create one video, 10 videos, or 100 videos from the same script with different content. It's very, very versatile. Once it has been created and rendered out, you just click on the campaign again for the video, and it has your new video there. And so then you are able to see your video. All right, so super easy. You can download it there, and you can go ahead and use it anywhere that you like. You can put it on YouTube. You can put it on your blog. You can put it on Facebook. And like I told you previously, we're also going to be having all of the social media sizes so that we can post on TikTok and Instagram, and we can make those shorts, and we can make the 1x1 videos, and we can make the up and down, cell phone size videos. So it's all going to be there. It's all going to be super simple, and it's not overcomplicated. You just get in there, you smack in your script, you render it out, and then you choose the assets that you want. So hopefully this has helped. If it has, make sure you smack that thumbs up. If you hate good trainings, smack that thumbs down. You know, I encourage interact with this video. If you learn something new, please put it in the comments below. And if you have any other desires for training, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm always here to help, because together we rise.